I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather, with highs topping out in the mid-80s to the low 90s. Spotty non-severe thunderstorms are possible near a low-pressure trough this late afternoon through tonight across west and central areas. Low pressure moving on to the plains for tomorrow and Friday leads to southeast winds pulling moisture northward and increasing in stability. Rounds of thunderstorms expected, mainly late in the day through the night, both tomorrow and Friday. There's a low-end marginal risk of severe storms late tomorrow with quarter-size hail and wind gusts over 60. A higher slight risk covers central areas late Friday with the main threats of ping-pong ball-size hail and wind gusts over 70. Highs tomorrow and Friday are in the upper 70s to the mid-80s. Rain chances decrease behind a cold front over the weekend. Total rainfall along the north of I-80 should range a half inch to an inch. Lighter amounts to the south. Highs in the 70s expected for the weekend on into early next week. Any cooling trend is short-lived. The long-term forecast indicates warmer than normal temperatures for Nebraska and Kansas Monday through the first 3 days of October. By the early days of October in central Nebraska, daytime highs are typically in the low 70s with average overnight lows in the mid-40s. Slightly above normal rainfall is predicted for Monday through October 3rd for both Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors affecting the markets include the chance of heavy rain in the western Corn Belt and good planting weather in most of South America. A slow-moving storm results in a multi-day rain event across the nation's midsection. 5-day rainfall could reach about 1 to 3 inches or more across the northern plains and western Corn Belt. Similar totals should occur from the southeastern plains into the mid-south. For the plains and Midwest, the rain delays any early harvest, but is beneficial for winter wheat establishment. Towards the northern plains, the rain may bring some benefit for late filling corn and soybeans. Little or no rain falls in several areas, including the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. Summer-like heat is mostly confined to the deep south, where temperatures continue to top 95 through the weekend in much of Texas and the desert southwest. Northern Argentina expects areas of rain through next week. Some rain may fall in southern Argentina later this week and over the weekend. The upcoming rain in Argentina is improving soil moisture for winter wheat and early corn planting. Southern Brazil continues with occasional rain for most of the week and possibly into next week. There could be additional flooding concerns for Rio Grande do Sul. Overall, early soybean and full season corn planting should continue to go well in Brazil. In western areas of the Black Sea region, there is light rain today, and additional light rain is forecast for the weekend. Soil moisture in the Black Sea region is falling as winter wheat is planted, but it's not critically dry just yet. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.